Howdy folks, I'm back. And if you've been following my shorts lately, you know that I am leaving this house. I am moving into my van. Pull out the G-Wagon, hit up Sandy Vans, and then I'm going on my big trip. Originally, I was doing ambulances in my driveway with Stolp Solutions. You know, it was doing good. Hired somebody, we did some great work together, but I had to make the tough decision whether I was a hobbyist or I was a career van builder. In other words, do I want to do this for a living or do I want to scrape by and only do the things I want to do? I partnered with Sandy Vans and things have been going great. I still love building vans, so I still love building those vans. It's just in the beginning, I was so stuck in my pride and wanting to build what I wanted to build, not necessarily what the consumer wants. But when you're a van builder, you're building for people. You're not building for yourself. I mean, I built this for myself, but this thing is not worth anything that could support my life or my family. Right when you come in, you can see we got the Sandy Vans logo painted over Stolp Solutions. That is because we merged. This place used to be the Wheel Estate Warehouse. This is where Stolp Solutions and a couple other van builders operated. It is now fully Sandy Vans. Sandy Vans took over. This is the shop. It's pretty small, and we got a ton of exterior products and refrigerators and all these things that we need to store. So we are actually in the near future getting a bigger shop. All right, just wrapped up a full day of work here at Sandy Vans. I just checked my oil and my tranny fluid. Good to hit the road soon. All right, that burnout was pretty weak. I got a full bed and my water tank's full and excuses. Just arrived home. There she is. Oh, there they are, my girls. Hey guys, did you miss me? Did you miss me while I was at work? Let's hope this beast doesn't overheat. So the agenda today is get to where my wife is staying, the in-laws, settle in, and then Saturday we are dating a new family member. I know I keep saying it. I'm gonna keep saying it. You guys are gonna be pumped. Well, this is about to be expensive. One of the hardest things about road trips right now is this empty seat right alongside me. If you see that gold hanging there, that gold is Remy's collar. So Remy was a Great Dane, best dog I've ever had, most connected to out of like any animal or being for that matter. Him and I shared like a crazy connection, and he was at the shop with me every day. He's like, I'm trying not to cry right now. He was at the shop with me every day, and yeah, I mean, my heart is still so broken from him passing. So you know, that's why we got the collar right there. But yeah, these road trips they get a little lonely without Remy. We got good news coming tomorrow, so stay tuned. We're north of LA right now, and yeah, my temp sensor, we're doing all right. She is a little warm, but nothing dangerous. It is over 100 degrees outside, and I just climbed a mountain with this thing. Filled up for the last time and noted the whole back end of my van is coated in grease. It means I think my rear end is leaking very badly. I'm an hour and a half away from my destination, so I'm gonna send it. Update, I just pulled over at AutoZone and turns out it is my transmission that's leaking. That's actually a good thing. My transmission fluid is at a perfect level, so I haven't really lost much, but I guess when you're going 70 miles per hour down the freeway, the whole back of your car gets soaked. van or something, it would spray the hell out of it. Not even that much whiz. So, what? Yeah, there's some smoke coming out for sure. Man, look at that view. The transmission fluid is hitting my muffler right now, and it's causing, you know, a little bit of smoke. Yet again, it sounds way worse than it is. It's only doing it when I go uphill, because when the transmission is uphill, all the fluid's back there. It's up against the seal that's leaking, so it's leaking more when I go uphill, and then it's hitting my exhaust and causing smoke. So, long story short, I just need to fix the leak in my transmission, and I should be good. I didn't show you yesterday because it was stressful, but yeah, if you look, that's all transmission fluid. It goes all the way up to the roof right there. So we're gonna hop on underneath the van, figure out what is going on. Also, people from that mansion behind me definitely were very curious about me parking my van here last night. Made sure to tell them that I was homeless and I was a complete vagrant, and they should be worried. I didn't say all of that, but I did say, hey, I'm homeless. Like, so it's kind of funny. Probably cooked my gasket. Oops. Now we know what the problem is. Not a big deal. Now, wife and I are going to grab the in-laws hybrid and go pick up a new friend. Everyone, this is my wife.
Wife.
So do you want to tell them where we're going?
I think you should.
All right, so I've been talking about a new family member. I'll give y'all a hint. Nope, not that. Maybe one day. There's your hint.
Do it. Our tiny pinto bean.
Yeah, we're in the hybrid right now because I don't know about the Chevy right now. So
Sad times. We don't have time.
We're here. We are picking up the dog.
He's gotten a little bigger.
Hi, you have. Your ears have caught up with you finally.
Oh, hi, buddy.
There's Dad.
Introducing the latest and greatest of the Stolt family, Chevy Stolt. This will be my shop dog, my van dog, and this is not a replacement of Remy by any means. Remy left a big open space, so I don't want to cry again. Got the glass to cover the tears, but Remy left a big space, and I was feeling pretty lonely traveling, living in my van, and not having my dog with me at the shop, and now this is our Basset Hound Chevy. Really excited, and first things first, we gotta teach Chevy how to drop a transmission pan and refill a transmission.
And then we gotta teach you how to go drink beer at the bar.
Yeah, we're gonna go drink beer. All right, so we got transmission fluid, we got some trans pans, some things to clean up, well, oil pans to catch everything. I got my cardboard down here to lay on. I have tools that I borrowed from my father-in-law. Got my new gasket right there, and most importantly, I got beers. Got a little bit of transmission fluid on it. So this is where we're at, causing a mess. I have very smart friends. Buddy Steven just told me that just grab a bottle jack and lift the transmission up. So I'm gonna lift the transmission up so I could slide the pan, because right now my exhaust is completely in the way. See, the exhaust pipe goes across over there. Hopefully this works. This should have been like a quick repair, but it always ends up like this. I have to remove the cross member that is holding up the transmission in order to get the trans pan out, and I am working with limited tools. So my father-in-law, Lord forgive me, I'm not supposed to be using this, so hate all you want, people. Always remember your toolkit, especially when you're driving around in 110-degree heat, or else you'll be using monkey wrenches to take off what holds your transmission in. These tabs are hitting my exhaust and it's smashing the gasket, so I have to cut these off. At my shop this would be no issue, but because I have limited tools, I'm going to be using a hacksaw. I cut those front tabs off and you can't even really tell. Now let's put it in. Hopefully we're done. I'm actually in a little bit of trouble right now. I'm definitely sweating way more than I'm drinking, and yeah, I'm just pretty out of it. So I gotta get this pan back in so I could get the heck out of here. We are officially all put back together now. I torqued everything down to 12 foot-pounds, cross members back in. Wish you guys could understand how hot it is outside. I gotta clean up, return the tools, throw the shirt away, and go be a better husband because my wife is in the house and I have not been able to hang out with her at all. I destroyed my shirt in the process of that whole thing, which reminds me, if you go to www.stolpsolutions.com under the Rad Gear tab, any of the shirts and like stuff that I wear is from that site. I have made some funny stuff. I said if you guys like the shirts I wear, feel free to check that out. Go get dressed and have a lovely dinner with my lovely wife. I'm gonna conclude this video here. So much more has happened than I anticipated. Please like and subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff to these videos so I could afford to put gas in this thing. All right, thanks guys, peace.